Video, I'm going to show you something really cool to change your Chrome Omnibox to do something. So if I'm looking for something, I can just type in Drive, Tab key, and I can search for anything that I am looking for. So lesson plan there. So that way I don't have to go to Drive, click it in, and do all that stuff. So this is very, very easy to do for any website you use. So if you're looking on Amazon all the time, you can set this up this way. So the key here is for you to go to Preferences in Chrome, go to Settings, and then you are going to be looking for something that says Manage Search Engines. So we're just going to search for it, and it will pop up here. So Manage Search Engines. Click Add. All right, so for your search engine, you're going to tell it what you want. So for the search engine, we're going to drive.google.com. So that is the web address directly for Google Drive. So if you want to put in Amazon, you can do www.amazon.com. For the keyword for this, we're going to type in Drive. And for the URL, you have to kind of find this one out. So this is the search engine for Google Drive. So we're going to paste it in, and I'll show that in a second. And I'll post that underneath here on the remakes. So when I click Add, I now have Drive. So all I have to do to search, Drive, hit Tab, and then I can look for whatever I want. And it will search Drive for exactly what I've typed. So if I'm looking for a specific thing from somebody that's shared, it doesn't matter what it is, but it saves me a lot of steps. And that is a cool little tech tip